Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device is eligible and backing it up. This protects data if the beta fails. Once done, free storage and battery levels prevent interruptions during install. Next, enroll in the Apple beta program and install the iOS 18 beta profile from settings. You do this now because the profile enables beta updates through software update. Make sure to read any release notes for known issues. Then restart your device so the profile takes effect before proceeding to update. You now go to Settings, General, Software Update to download iOS 18 beta. Using Wi-Fi ensures speed and reliability. Once the download finishes, tap Install and keep the phone connected to power so the process won't pause. The installer may verify the update, prepare the update, and then reboot the device. Expect 2 reboots and several minutes of installation. If you see an estimated time, be patient. Background tasks and encryption lengthen installation. After reboot, follow any on-screen prompts to complete setup and restore services. You finish by completing setup. Sign in to Apple ID, re-enable settings you disabled, and update apps to versions compatible with iOS 18. If something goes wrong, like crashes or a boot loop, connect to Finder, restore your backup, or remove and reinstall the beta profile, then retry software update. Make sure to file a bug through Feedback Assistant. Your report helps Apple fix issues. Finally, keep checking for incremental beta updates because subsequent builds often resolve early problems and improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.